Hey guys, so if you have your Kodak PixPro AZ401 and looking for a solution when it's not turning on, I found this on Reddit. So I would suggest taking the batteries and SD card out, and you can try to power the camera from a cable. Also, another thing that you can try to do, you can like switch batteries to some different batteries, and maybe that is going to help out. I hope it does. And yeah, hope it's going to actually help you a little bit. So thank you very much for watching. And have a great day and goodbye.